Okay, one restart later. One restart later. What? NatureCat OS version 666. How could it? Welcome to NatureCat version 666. Okay, I better be going to a system. I just needed to go to Rocket Dock. Wait, what happening? You can't escape? Oh my god! No, 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 no. My computer screen is trying to do the OS. That's it. I'm gonna destroy this OS. Oh, no, 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 no. Where's the kill option? No, 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 no. I'll use this mouse cursor to kill you. Oh no, you kill me by a mouse cursor. I'll be B, 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 Yay, I finally get rid of NatureCat OS. Reinstalling Windows 10. I'm trying to get some animation percents. Yay, I got my Windows 10 back. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe.